So, hi everybody, a very good evening. 6:30 by the watch, and I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor and Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions, where we have lamps, mirrors, consoles, we have coasters, we have some interesting stuff like this one. So it's an international piece. There's a lamp behind, and there are a lot of other items over here. We also do sofas, and we have art and installations and all that. And the brainwave. So climate and environment is a big concern, and so is wildlife and stuff. So a lot of our creations and concepts are done around nature and community causes like environment, preserving wildlife and stuff. So there are these coasters which are thematic, which is being done around animals. Health is a concern during Corona and for maintaining a work-life balance and stuff. So there's something called yoga, which was actually conceptualized for a defense company in India. One of the leaders were manufacturers of aircraft and security and stuff like that. And then, of course, there are interesting stuff which is related to environment, which has leaves and flowers and a lot of other things which we've not shared right now under one umbrella, which is an online store or a website. Very soon it's going to be there, but the point is that global concern and community support is going to maximize. Micro is the way to macro, rather than macro to micro, because we may have the macro rules, or we may have the macro concerns shared by our leaders, by organizations, by our community heads, by environmentalists, by the media and stuff. But till the time we don't get up together and we don't have a way forward plan or devised, we're not going to be able to reach the concern and cause. All these networking forums and all these meetings and platforms are a great place to kind of network, share thoughts, create awareness, and have them coming over on TV and in newspaper and stuff. But when it comes back to us contributing simply from where we are, which is our own places, our own residences, where we live and stuff, that's how we connect the dots to the larger picture. So there are these RWAs, which is the local communities, then you have the whole city, then you have the town, and then you have, of course, the country, and you have the world and stuff. So if each of us were to come forward, we could do this. And I feel that it's a great idea to have kind of people being involved. So I've seen this personally. I'm not talking professionally here. I've seen this personally, that we've done certain tree plantation campaigns in our vicinity in Noida. There's so many of those happening around in Delhi. I think I've been participating over the years and stuff. So there was this plantation drive which happened in Connaught Place. There was something which we'd done with an organization called Siddhi. In the heat, we were there at 46 degrees and 47 degrees, giving away plants to community houses in the peak of summers and stuff in our own neighborhood, because we wanted to involve senior citizens and people living in high-rise buildings and stuff. And of course, now we know that children are being involved in schools. Children are being kind of given this education right at the basic level, and it's a good thing. I mean, I think it's better than kind of making them watch videos of war and killings and stuff like that, or negative stuff which is shown consistently daily on. It's killing the innocence and stuff of children and people and youth. So what's important is what do we do? So if you watch international movies, and if you've grown up looking at stuff abroad, they have these mailboxes. In India, we've had the postman. We've had the mailboxes which are different. And when we were children, we used to have these envelopes and postcard letters and stuff like that happening. And from that concept, I got an idea where we can do a mailbox thing. I don't know how many people are going to come forward. I've not shared this yet. Normally these kind of ideas take a macro approach, and then once people like the idea and they're viable and they're open, then they're done. But I don't see anything wrong in sharing those. I'm sharing those online right now. Anybody and everybody in the world knows this, that mailboxes in the community system, I'm not talking about the regular ones, I'm talking about the boxes or the ones that you have, the red ones, where you have maybe a glass or something, and you can kind of put in letters and people pick those up and read those. So from that I got inspired about thinking about this idea. And the idea is that you place a couple of mailboxes on a stand with maybe an acrylic top or something in the community areas, the parks, or the entry of your buildings, or maybe your houses. Each floor, if you're living in a residential complex, or if you're living in an institutional building, if you're in a hotel, or if you're in a cafeteria, if you're in a mall, I mean, it can all be done. And this is basically to kind of encourage people to come out of their regular ways of looking at things and stuff. So the solution is, I feel that you can have these mailboxes and you can have an exchange program of plants. So in this way the community kind of gets organized. So you can put your head together on this, and how can you make it happen. But let's say if our building, or if our office is on 50 floors, so each floor can have a mailbox, and we can have an exchange happening between departments, or we can have an exchange happening between our own buildings and stuff, where the heads of the organizations, or the heads, or the community heads of the buildings come into play, and they have something happening where on a weekly basis, or maybe a fortnightly basis, there is an exchange happening of plants. So we are kind of looking at, in a way, to spread awareness through that. We are kind of going to be looking at involving people. And when you have a circulation of those plants and everything happening, people are obviously looking forward to having fun. And also they get to know each other, and they break the ice, and there is a common connect which is driving the whole campaign or the passion behind this. Okay, so it's very simple. You just need to have like a mailbox, not the Indian ones. I'm talking about ones in which you can have plants growing, probably a glass one or an acrylic one, maybe one which has a house on it. You place a plant, and you assign names to those, and you kind of circulate, and you have people coming in and people dropping out with their plants and stuff like that. And that kind of has an involvement of children, that has an involvement of senior citizens, that has an involvement of parents, that has an involvement of the maids and servants. So when you have a mailbox on a stick at a certain height right in front of you, people are kind of going to get inquisitive about it, curious about it, they're going to talk about it. So rather than reaching out every house, you have a solution to this, where people are kind of building up on that awareness level, and also on a plan where there is a circulation of information around plants and preservation and stuff. And of course you have beautiful plants being circulated every now and then, and people are going to be talking more about nature than other things as well. So think about it. It's just a plan which came to me, and an idea which came to me when I was looking at these mailboxes and stuff. It's a fantastic idea. And I think when you put it on everybody's head, including children, to kind of take charge of the mailbox circulation, or you have it as a game happening, or you have it as a campaign running in your neighborhood, or in your office, or in a mall, or in a nation, or in a city, or something like that, then it can grow into a very big idea. I have not looked at the economics of this, but I know for sure that if somebody asked me to do this, I would love doing it. I would obviously extend my courtesies to my neighbors as well, and I would also have people being involved. They are always people who are criticizing and not wanting to be a part of it. They have a problem for everything you share with them. But a great idea would be to have something like this happening. I'm not sure, like I said at the very onset, how many people are going to do this in neighborhoods which has old school people, but I'm sure that if you have this as a community activity happening somewhere, maybe in parks, or maybe in schools or something like that, or maybe in certain areas where people are coming forward, like offices and stuff, then this is definitely going to happen. Maybe an embassy area, maybe a place which has a lot of people coming in and stuff. I just not thought of it through. So this is going to give us all these objectives of kind of getting the buzz happening at the city level, and the jazz and all that. Okay, so take care of yourself, and thanks for your likes and your messages. And I'm on jashinkapani.im@gmail.com. I believe the mails are bouncing on that, so you can go in for jkapani@gmail.com. More than happy to connect, more than happy to meet and stuff. And nature and safeguarding people and wildlife is always a great idea, because they are the two important elements and components we are kind of exposed to when we get up and we spend our whole day. So I'm sure the buzz about it is not fake, or it's not something which is a false alarm. Everybody's talking about it, so obviously there's something happening, and we need to kind of gear up and participate and do our own stuff. So maybe in your homes or in your offices or whatever, you can also carry plants and have this concept done at a bigger level, and we can all benefit from it. No, so love and luck, take care, have fun and have a blast. Yeah, enjoy yourself, take care, bye.